Questions is the very highly anticipated Invisishield mattifying sunstick. I don't know if you guys tried out the lab station over there. It's fascinating. You put the product on your hand, you put your hand in the foam petals, and they don't stick to your hand because it's that mattifying and it's absolutely invisible. So let's get to know one of the co-developers of this product. Please help me welcome Ms. Krista Vidalio.
Okay, so let me start with a quick reality check. The skincare world is down, right? Most of us, which makes it overwhelming for the most of us. We're always being sold the next miracle ingredient, one way or another, in the hopes of curating the perfect skin. The market is flooded with complicated tensile proteins and trends, which is exciting, yes, but could also pose a high risk. So why? Because not all products out there are dermatologically safe. And not all trending ingredients has the science to back it up. And that's exactly why we're here. We know that modern consumers are becoming more conscious and curious about the product that they put on their skin. But with that curiosity also comes confusion, because not all claims are created equal. Some are rooted in hype, not in science. Some ingredients may sound great on the label, but they haven't been studied thoroughly. Or worse, they can trigger negative reactions. So where does Ceratec stand in all of this? Since the beginning, Ceratec has always taken a scientific path. We don't jump on trends quite easily. Every product we release is grounded in dermatological science and driven by one clear purpose. That is, to care for the skin safely and effectively. So before we launch anything, we put it through rigorous clinical testing. So we conduct clinical tests for safety to make sure that the product won't harm or irritate your skin. We test for product stability, so the product remains effective over time. We conduct clinical tests, of course, for efficacy, so we can observe real results on real skin. Because if we say something works, we better prove it right. The level of testing is especially critical for our skin defense line, which was designed to protect the skin for the daily stressors like UV rays, blue light, and pollution. These are the threats that we face every day, especially in an urban environment. So our standard is this. Every Ceratec claim is rooted in science. Every Ceratec claim has technical support. And we uphold the highest standards in all our formulations. So now let's talk about ingredients, because this is where our philosophy comes to life. At Ceratec, we don't believe in excess. The skin doesn't need to have all the best active ingredients in the world. It only needs what truly works. So each ingredient we incorporate in our product is selected with care and intention. Our mantra leans toward no bluff, no fluff beauty. Just pure, science-backed skincare for everyone, no matter the skin type. Our philosophy is grounded in the belief that skincare should be uncomplicated. It should only be safe and consistently effective, which drives our formulations. Quite frankly, I believe this is the reason why Ceratec continues to be a household and trusted brand for over 19 years. Because in a saturated market, a science-backed skincare always proves to be effective. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Ms. Krista, for sharing your journey and how you co-developed this product. And of course, I love the confidence, they're all about but are clinically formulated and backed by skin experts. That's why Celatec has been around for so long. That's why we adore it. Alright, from this point on, I would like to call on some of our friends, our guests who would like to share a message with all of you. Joining us today is ULSSI's Head of Marketing, who wanted to say hello and of course share a message. Please help me welcome Miss Catherine Carag is here.
So thank you so much for coming. I know it's a weekday afternoon, and after a few, yesterday we consciously did not schedule it yesterday because we were at QC and so on because of the traffic way back. So hopefully you won't be stuck in traffic later. We're glad that the sun is out, and not just because our product is for the sun, but as you know, even when there's no sun, UV rays still enter. So a bit of a trivia, we in UL Skin Sciences, we test each and every product we have. If Krista said earlier that each product has a scientific name, you are assured each product, kami mismo, we test it ourselves. So a bit of an anecdote, some years ago, during the pandemic, I thought I didn't need sunscreen. And so I didn't use sunscreen during the day, and I realized that my dark spots, so you see I still have the dark spots, but that it's improved since then. I realized that it was part mas dumadami. Yun pala, my workstation at home, when it was work from home, was in front of the window. And so since it was in front of the window, the sun was coming in each and every day, and I did not use sunscreen. We had a product before, which was also skin defense with blue light. I only use it sparingly, but now I'm super conscious to use it every day. I use the SPF 57. Now I use the InvisiShield mattifying. What I like about it is that it can glide over makeup. So, but I think that's important because you don't want to put on makeup again, right? So we made sure we designed our products knowing you guys. We always talk to our consumers and we hear about your pain points when it comes to sun products. And that's why the kinds of tests that you saw here today, we made sure it's not sticky, we made sure that it glides well. So we wanted to make sure that if it comes from Celatec, it's products that you will not just trust, but also use. And so hence we're super proud of our newest additions in our line are InvisiShield Mattifying Sunstick. I'm glad you're able to say it fast, no? InvisiShield Mattifying Sunstick in our Brightening Silky Sun Cream. So it's really pushing our brand and our company's lifelong mission, which is to empower lives with beauty and well-being solutions that people will love. So thank you so much to you guys for coming here, for listening, and for testing our products, for giving us feedback. We would love to hear your feedback. Let us know also. We continuously improve our products as well, and we come out with new products in our lineup that for sure you'll be able to enjoy. So thank you to our amazing ULSI team, our R&D. If they're not there, all our products will not be over here. In fact, some of our technical team, our R&D members are in the stations. You'll see that you can ask them, they're the ones in green. Yan na sila. You can ask them also some specific questions about the products. So again, thank you. I know that there's going to be an activity pa a bit, and then later on we'll come back to formally say goodbye. But there's still an activity, so we'll be able to join. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Catherine, for sharing the journey of that you may have ideas, because later on, we're going to have a little group activity where we're going to be able to brainstorm together. Okay? Right now, though, I would like to welcome on stage the Operating Divisional Vice President of ULSSI. She is here. Please give it up for Ms. Ming Sevilla.
Listening to the questions that were being asked, something struck me, and that is the fact that there are so many questions and so many kind of unknowns when it comes to skincare, right? A lot of us are much smarter than the previous generations when it comes to the stuff we put on our face or on our bodies, and yet we struggle sometimes with trying to figure out where do we really get the right kinds of information. How do we know that the skincare that we're using is what's right for our skin issues and what's right for us in our lifestyles in general. And I think that's why I'm really proud of this Celatec team, and I'm really glad that you guys are here today. It gives us a chance to share with you all of the work, thought, and testing and creativity that has gone into every single one of the Celatec products, but especially into the skin defense line. Kathy had an anecdote earlier about how she never used to use sunscreen unless she had to go out. I'm from that same kind of mode of thinking. I know better now, not just because of the sunspots, but because of this feeling of my skin just not being optimum when I don't have the right protection and I don't take care of my skin barrier and don't put that level of care. What we aim to do in Celatec is to give you solutions that are going to answer the needs, the questions, the concerns that you have in a way that you can trust. Why? Because we stand by our quality, we stand by our methods, and we stand by the brand that we love just as much as our consumers love. So today is a welcome occasion because you guys are here to help us kind of share the beauty behind our skincare. Doc, thank you so much for starting it off because everything that we do is based on a foundation of science, right? And why we put certain things in the product and not others. And why you use it for certain skin concerns and not others. We don't just slap things together, put it out there for the sake of sales. We do it because we believe that our mission is to help you look good, not just look good, but feel good about yourselves as well. And if you can do that through having beautiful, healthy skin, then we are the right partner for you. So today was I think a collaboration, really strong, not just collaboration, but partnership, not just with our R&D team, and I want to commend them for all the work that they did on that. For our innovations team, because they're the ones that think of what consumers are really needing now and trying to find ways that we can deliver that, but also the team of dermatologists that we work with that again help us vet what really is the right type of solution to give. So I hope that you guys take advantage of this beautiful day. It's going to rain again later, mark my words. I hope you take advantage of what sunshine we have left, get that sunscreen on you, but more importantly, use this as a way for you to demystify, right? And to kind of make things that could be complex, less complex, because you know that you are dealing with brands and products that you can trust and that have the Filipino skin at the center and heart of what they do. Have a great afternoon. Thanks a lot for the wonderful hosting, and I hope you guys will love these products as much as we love putting them together for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the powerful message. Alright. As we know, guys, Celatec is all about smart beauty, right? So at this point, I would like to invite all of you guys to start brainstorming with the people who are seated at the table with